welcome back to another makeup tutorial, and yes, we are recreating another Instagram look. And today's Instagram look that we're going to be recreating is one from @Yoselyn with 3 N's and an underscore. And you guys should definitely go check her out. I'm going to leave her stuff down here so you guys can go follow her on Instagram. She does a really bomb makeup, you guys, and it's fucking amazing. I will go ahead and say this, since I am going to insert a picture here, and you guys are probably going to go see her. If you guys go follow her, you will see that mine is a little bit different than hers. Mine is more on the turquoise kind of side, and she's more of an icy blue, like, kind of vibes, less pink. You know, but it's just all about having fun and working with what you got, especially. You know, I do have those colors, but when I was recreating this look, I remembered it a little different, and I just kind of went with what I remembered, and I didn't look at the pictures. So it's a little different, but you know, it works. It looks great. I love the look. So if you guys want to see how I recreate this look, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so to start off, we're going to go ahead and put a base on our eyelids, just so that we can get a clean slate. And we're going to be using the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in CW06. This is what it looks like. Alright, next we're going to be using the Cover All Pressed Powder by Wet n Wild, and this is in the shade 824B Light Medium. And we're just going to apply that to our eyelids so that it'll set and not crease. Alright, so now, starting off our colors, we're going to go in a pink color, and I'm going to go in with this hot pink color in the BH Cosmetic Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to apply that as a transition color. I'm going to put that on my lid. Now that we have that color, I'm going to go back into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to go in with the purple on the palette. I'm going to go in with the top one right here. It's like a fuchsia color, and I'm just going to apply that to the crease as well and just kind of build up the color. Next, we're going to go into this purple color here, and it's the third one down. So we're just going to apply that exactly the same place as we did the other one. Okay, so after I went in with the purple, I also went in with the blue right next to it, which is this shade right here. And I just added that in the same section just to give it more of a pop to it. But now we're just going to go ahead and cut our crease, and we're going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Light Sand. Alrighty guys, last color, we're going to go in this turquoise kind of color on the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe, and we're just going to apply that on our cut crease. Okay, so now that I have the shade on, I'm going to go and blend. So I'm going to go back into the purple and the blue shades just to blend this out. And, you know, once again, just take your time with this. Just get it to where you want it, girl. Okay, so now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and start on my face. And to begin, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Rebound Prep and Priming Spray. And I'm just going to spray that on my face. Alright, next I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. And I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio Primer. And this is what it looks like. Okay, the foundation that I'm going to be using today is the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation in the color T15. Okay, for concealer, I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to mix it in with my Maybelline Fit Me in the color Sand. Okay, to set my eyes, I'm going to use the Luxie powder from Makeup Revolution, and it's a banana powder one. I'm just going to apply that everywhere where I did my highlights. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and bronze my face, and I'm going to use the Hoola from Benefit bronzer, and I'm just going to apply that on cheeky bones. For blush, I'm going to be using the Milani blush in the color Luminoso, and this is my first time trying this as well. So hopefully it's cute. Well, I don't see shit. Oh, it's glittery. Why is it shimmering? Like, there's more shimmer than there is blush. Where's the color? Jeez, I need some color. Okay, we're going to also go in the Wet n Wild Color Icon Mellow Wine blush because Luminoso, girl, you got no color. I like me some pink cheekbones. This is alright. I don't really fuck with like glittery or like shimmery blushes. That looks tacky as fuck, but whatever. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do the under eyes, and I'm going to add eyelashes, so I'll be right back with you guys. Alright guys, so I'm going to tell you guys what I used for the finishing touches to, you know, complete the look. On the bottom lash line, I went ahead and I used the dark blue from the BH Cosmetic Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I put that tightly on the lash line, on the bottom lash line, and then I blended it out with a bigger brush with the purple color in the palette, this one right here. And that's what I did. So then once I got to maybe like the corner part of the under eyelash line, I added in the blue just to kind of give it a little touch. And for the inner and the arc of my eyebrow, I used the Makeup Revolution Triple Baked highlighter. And this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is what I use. And I also use this for my highlight as well as for my nose highlight. For my lips, I lined my lips with the NYX lip liner in the color Natural. And to fill in my lips, I used the Kat Von D lipstick in Lolita. And to finish it off, I went in with my Urban Decay setting spray. And that's everything that I did. I think that's everything that I did. I'm pretty sure that is. Of course, I did add the lashes, and the lashes are from AliExpress. I do get I don't know which ones these are. I think these are like, I'm not sure if they're DO8s or what the heck they are. But my favorite ones are A21s, and I think it's DO8. These aren't DO8s because these are too thin. But I don't know. I'll leave the link down below so you guys can go look at my purchases. So eyelashes that I buy every single time from AliExpress. They're super affordable. They're only like $2 a piece. And if you buy 5 of them, I think you get like free shipping, or you get like some bucks off for the shipping. And yeah. But anyway, so this is the final look. I think I did a really good job recreating this look. I'm in love with it. I fell in love with it when I saw her post on it. And I think I did a pretty good job with it. So if you guys like this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and share this video as well. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.